Right, hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of military aviation with a head-to-head comparison that's been brewing for years. That's right, it's the HAL Tejas versus the JF-17. These two light combat aircraft, one developed in India and the other a joint venture between Pakistan and China, have often been compared due to their similar roles and capabilities. They are the cornerstones of their respective air forces, tasked with everything from air superiority to ground attack missions. Today we'll be comparing these two impressive aircraft across 5 key areas: agility and maneuverability, stealth capabilities, range, export market success, and finally, their beating hearts. Their engines. Buckle up, because things are about to get interesting. When it comes to a close-in dogfight, agility is king. And this is where the HAL Tejas has a significant edge. See, the Tejas was designed with a focus on maneuverability, boasting a tailless compound delta wing design. Think of it like this. It can turn on a dime and give you change. This design, combined with its advanced fly-by-wire system, gives the Tejas exceptional agility and high angle of attack capabilities, making it a formidable opponent in close-quarters combat. Essentially, it can outturn and outmaneuver the JF-17, potentially getting into a better position to fire upon its opponent. Now, that's not to say the JF-17 is a slouch in the maneuverability department. It can still hold its own, but experts generally agree that the Tejas has the upper hand when it comes to pure agility. Let's be clear, neither of these aircraft are invisible to radar. They're not stealth fighters in the way we think of, say, an F-35. However, in the world of radar, every little bit helps. And in this regard, the Tejas Mk1A variant has a slight edge. The Tejas Mk1A incorporates several features designed to reduce its radar cross-section, making it harder to detect on enemy radar. These include the use of composite materials in its construction and a more streamlined design compared to the JF-17. Think of it like this. If the JF-17 is a pickup truck on radar, the Tejas Mk1A is a sleek sports car. It's still detectable, but it's going to be harder to pick up and track. Alright, time to talk about reach. In a long-range engagement, the JF-17 has a clear advantage. This is where its design philosophy, prioritizing fuel efficiency and a larger internal fuel capacity, really pays off. The JF-17 can cover a significantly greater distance than the Tejas without needing to refuel. This extended range allows it to operate further away from its base and potentially strike targets that are out of reach for the Tejas. This difference in range is crucial in shaping the operational doctrines of both aircraft. The JF-17 can be deployed in a wider range of scenarios, including long-range interdiction missions. Developing a cutting-edge fighter jet is one thing, but selling it to other countries is a whole different ballgame. And in this arena, the JF-17 has a considerable head start. It has been successfully exported to several countries, including Nigeria, Myanmar, and Iran. This success can be attributed to a couple of factors. Firstly, the JF-17 comes with a significantly lower price tag compared to the Tejas. Think of it like this. Why buy one high-end sports car when you can get 2 perfectly capable sedans for the same price? Secondly, the JF-17 has fewer technology transfer restrictions compared to the Tejas, which is subject to stricter export controls due to its use of Western technology. This makes it a more attractive option for countries looking to bolster their air defenses without jumping through hoops. Now, let's talk about the beating heart of these jets, their engines. The HAL Tejas is currently powered by a single General Electric F404 afterburning turbofan engine. It's a reliable workhorse, providing ample power for the Tejas to achieve supersonic speeds. On the other hand, the JF-17 has 2 engine options, depending on the variant. The earlier models use a Russian-designed Klimov RD-93 engine, while the newer ones are equipped with a Chinese-made WS-13 engine. Both are afterburning turbofans, providing comparable thrust to the Tejas F404. The choice of engine often boils down to strategic partnerships and logistical considerations. The Tejas' reliance on a US-made engine could potentially pose a challenge in certain geopolitical situations, while the JF-17's engine options offer more flexibility. So there you have it, a breakdown of the HAL Tejas and the JF-17 across 5 key areas. As you can see, both aircraft have their strengths and weaknesses. The Tejas boasts superior agility and maneuverability, while the JF-17 shines in terms of range and export market success. Ultimately, declaring a clear winner is a difficult task. The outcome of any hypothetical engagement would depend on a multitude of factors, including pilot skill, tactics, and the specific conditions of the battle. It's not always about who has the best technology on paper. So, which fighter jet do you think comes out on top? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more in-depth comparisons and aviation insights. Until next time, happy flying!